Standard 7th Subject Computer. Today we are going to learn lesson number 11 Slideshow and Printing Techniques Part 2. Editing a presentation. Once you have created a presentation, you may find that you need to edit it. You may also need to move and copy the text from one slide to another, or move the slide from one position to another. Adding slides. Students, you have already learned how to add slides to your presentation in the normal view. Now student, you can also add slides to your presentation in the slide sorter view. Now what is the steps? First, click on the slide sorter view button to see the miniature of the slides, miniature thumbnail image of the slides. Second, click in the space between the two slides where you want the new slide to appear. Okay, the cursor will appear between the two slides. Third, click on Home tab and click on New Slide options in the slide group. Fourth, select a slide from the options given. Which one you want to like a slide, you can choose. A new slide will appear. Now student will learn copying a slides. First, select the slide of which you want to make a copy. Second, from the Home tab, select the copy and paste option. A copy of the slide is created next to the selected slide. Deleting slides. First, select the slide you want to delete. Second, press the delete key. Your slide will be deleted. Or in the Home tab, in your slides group, you have to select the delete option for deleting a slide. Students, if you want to delete multiple slides in a slide sorter view, then what is the steps? First, select the first slide to be deleted. Then second, press and hold down the shift key and click on the slide to be deleted. And third, press the delete key. Rearranging the slides. In PowerPoint, you can also change the order of the slides in your presentation. Although you can rearrange the slides in the outline view, slide sorter view allows you to view and rearrange many slides at once. Now we learn the step to rearrange the slides. First, click on the slide sorter view button. Okay. Second, select a relevant slide. Third, click and hold the selected slide. Fourth, drag the mouse pointer until it appears in the place where you want to move the selected slide. The insertion bar will now appear between the two slides. And then fifth, release the mouse button. The slide will appear in the new position. And the slide number is also automatically updated. Printing a presentation. You can print your entire presentation or specific slides, handouts, notes page or outline pages. Now what is the steps? First, from the Office button, you have to choose the print option. The print dialog box is now displayed. Select the name of the printer that you want to use. In the print box, click the item you want to print. Example, slides, handouts, notes page, outline view. On selecting handout, you need to select the number of slides to be printed per page and decide whether the print order you want horizontal or vertical. Okay. In the print range area, select whether to print all the slide or you want the current slides. In the copies area, specify the number of copies you want to print. How many number of copies you want? 1, 4, 6. Okay. And then click on the OK button. Thank you.